Implementation of revenue optimization algorithms for TikTok creators by Q1 2024, Comprehensive Report. Executive Summary. As TikTok continues to evolve its creator economy, a strategic initiative to implement revenue optimization algorithms has been outlined for completion by the first quarter of 2024. This initiative is organized into 4 distinct phases with a total budget allocation of $1.2 million. The main objective is to enhance monetization opportunities for TikTok creators through data-driven insights and improved engagement strategies. Key phases of implementation. 1. Integration of information from all sources. The first phase focuses on the integration of various data sources. This includes user engagement data, content performance metrics, and audience demographics. The goal is to create a comprehensive data ecosystem that supports the development of algorithms capable of optimizing revenue generation for creators. By leveraging these insights, TikTok aims to provide personalized content recommendations and targeted advertising strategies, ultimately enhancing earnings for creators. 2. Highlighting common key points. Several key points have emerged from discussions surrounding this initiative. Creator empowerment. The algorithms are designed to empower creators by providing them with actionable insights into their content performance and audience preferences. This knowledge will facilitate more effective content strategies. Monetization tools. The development of new monetization tools, including enhanced ad placements and potential subscription models, is critical to the success of the initiative. User engagement metrics. Improving user engagement metrics is a primary focus, as higher engagement correlates with better monetization opportunities for creators. 3. Indicating differences between sources. While there is consensus on the need for algorithm-driven insights, differing opinions on the implementation strategy have been noted. Source A proposes a gradual rollout, focusing first on popular creators to test the effectiveness of algorithms before wider implementation. Source B advocates for an immediate rollout to all creators, emphasizing the potential for rapid feedback and iterative improvements. Source C stresses the importance of transparency in algorithmic decision-making, calling for clear guidelines on how revenue optimization will impact content visibility and monetization. 4. Complete timeline of events. The timeline for the initiative is as follows. Q3 2023, initial planning and research phase, collecting data from creators and audience metrics. Q4 2023, development of algorithm prototypes and testing with select creators to refine functionality. January 2024, begin onboarding creators for new monetization tools and initial rollout of revenue optimization features. February 2024, collect feedback and performance data from the initial rollout and adjust algorithms based on responses. March 2024, full-scale implementation of revenue optimization algorithms across the platform, complemented by a marketing campaign to inform creators of new monetization opportunities. Strategic importance. This initiative represents a significant investment in TikTok's creator ecosystem. By focusing on creator empowerment and building a more sustainable and profitable environment for creators, TikTok aims to enhance user engagement and foster platform growth. The integration of data, emphasis on creator insights, and a responsive rollout strategy will be crucial for the initiative's success. Financial overview. The implementation budget of $1.2 million will be allocated as follows. Research and development, $500,000. Marketing and onboarding, $300,000. Technology infrastructure, $200,000. Feedback and iteration processes, $200,000. Conclusion. As TikTok embarks on this transformative journey to implement revenue optimization algorithms by Q1 2024, the careful planning and execution of each phase will be vital. By harnessing data-driven insights, the platform can empower its creators, ultimately leading to increased monetization opportunities and a more robust creator economy. This initiative not only marks a pivotal development for TikTok but also sets a precedent for the future of digital content monetization across platforms. The document outlines the implementation of revenue optimization algorithms for TikTok creators, detailing a strategic initiative scheduled for completion by Q1 2024. This initiative is broken down into 4 key phases with a budget allocation of $1.2 million. Here are some counterintuitive insights and points of interest from the content. 1. Creator empowerment versus algorithmic control. While the initiative aims to empower creators by providing insights into content performance and audience preferences, there's a risk that increased reliance on algorithms may inadvertently limit creative freedom. Creators might feel pressured to conform to algorithmic preferences, potentially stifling genuine creativity and diversity of content. 2. Gradual rollout versus immediate implementation. The debate between a gradual rollout versus an immediate implementation of the algorithms is striking. On one hand, a gradual rollout allows for testing and refinement, reducing the risk of widespread issues. On the other hand, an immediate implementation could foster rapid adaptation and feedback, allowing for quicker adjustments. This reflects the tension between caution and innovation, suggesting that the best approach may not be clear-cut. 3. Revenue versus engagement focus. The focus on revenue optimization might not align with creators' primary goals, which often include building community and fostering engagement. Creators may prioritize personal connection with their audience over maximizing revenue, which could lead to dissatisfaction if the algorithms prioritize revenue generation at the expense of community building. 4. Transparency in algorithms. The emphasis on transparency in algorithmic decision-making is noteworthy. While transparency can help creators understand how their content is ranked and monetized, it may also lead to a backlash if creators feel that the criteria for success are overly rigid or unfair. This raises questions about how transparent the process should be and what measures can ensure that transparency does not lead to gaming the system. 5. Investment in creator ecosystem. Allocating $1.2 million to enhance monetization opportunities for TikTok creators might seem substantial, especially in a digital landscape where many platforms struggle to adequately compensate content creators. This investment could be seen as an acknowledgement of the importance of the creator economy. Yet it also raises the question of whether this investment will yield significant returns or simply serve as a temporary solution. 6. User engagement metrics. The emphasis on improving user engagement metrics as a means to enhance monetization opportunities is intriguing. It implies a belief that higher engagement will naturally lead to increased revenue. However, engagement does not always correlate with profitability, especially if the engagement metrics are driven by content that doesn't translate into actual sales or advertising revenue. 7. Feedback loops. The plan to collect feedback and performance data from the initial rollout suggests an iterative approach to development. However, it also highlights the potential for creators to experience frustration if their feedback is not addressed promptly, leading to a perception that their needs are secondary to algorithmic adjustments. 8. Marketing campaigns for new tools. The coupling of a full-scale implementation of revenue optimization algorithms with a marketing campaign to inform creators of new monetization opportunities reflects a strategic approach to adoption. However, it raises questions about whether creators will feel adequately supported and informed throughout the transition. 9. Phase dependency. The sequential nature of the phases suggests that delays in one phase could impact the overall timeline. This dependency might lead to heightened stress among teams working on the project, especially if unexpected challenges arise during development or testing. 10. Potential for unintended consequences. The initiative's focus on data-driven decision-making may lead to unintended consequences such as content homogenization, where creators feel compelled to produce similar types of content to succeed under the new algorithms. This could dilute the diversity that makes platforms like TikTok appealing in the first place. These points illustrate the complexities and potential pitfalls of implementing revenue optimization algorithms within a creative platform like TikTok, highlighting the need for a balanced approach that considers both creator satisfaction and business objectives. The report on the implementation of revenue optimization algorithms for TikTok creators by Q1 2024 outlines a strategic initiative aimed at enhancing the monetization opportunities for TikTok creators. While the main phases and budget details are prominently covered, several key aspects may be overlooked that carry significant implications for creators, advertisers, and TikTok's overall ecosystem. 1. Integration of diverse data sources. The integration of user engagement data, content performance metrics, and audience demographics is highlighted as a foundation for the optimization algorithms. However, the significance of this integration extends beyond mere data collection. It reflects a shift towards a more personalized and targeted approach to content and advertising. This can enhance user experience and engagement, fostering a vibrant creator community. Why it's significant. Creator empowerment. By providing creators with deeper insights into their audience, they can tailor their content to meet viewer preferences, potentially increasing their reach and revenue. Advertiser optimization. Advertisers will benefit from more efficient ad placements, ensuring their campaigns reach the most relevant audiences, thus maximizing their ROI. 2. Creator empowerment and insights. The emphasis on creator empowerment through insights into content performance may be viewed as a standard practice. However, the depth and specificity of these insights could fundamentally change how creators engage with their content and audience. Why it's significant. Data-driven decisions. Creators who leverage data effectively can create more impactful content, leading to increased follower engagement and ultimately higher earnings. Leveling the playing field. Smaller creators who may not have access to traditional marketing resources can use these insights to compete with larger creators, fostering diversity and innovation within the platform. 3. Phased rollout strategy. The report mentions differing perspectives on the rollout strategy, whether to gradually implement algorithms or launch them to all creators simultaneously. This decision will significantly impact how quickly the platform can adapt and respond to feedback. Why it's significant. Iterative improvement. A phased approach allows TikTok to gather data and feedback in real time, enabling the refinement of algorithms based on actual user experiences before a full-scale rollout. This could prevent potential backlash or dissatisfaction from creators. Creator trust. Transparency in the rollout process, including how feedback will be collected and implemented, can build trust between TikTok and its creators, enhancing long-term loyalty to the platform. 4. Transparency in algorithmic decisions. Source C highlights the importance of transparency in algorithmic decision-making. While many creators may focus on the immediate benefits of revenue optimization, the long-term implications of algorithmic transparency are profound. Why it's significant. Trust and legitimacy. If creators understand how algorithms impact their visibility and earnings, they are more likely to trust the platform and engage with it positively. Accountability. Transparency can help hold TikTok accountable for algorithmic changes that might inadvertently disadvantage specific creators or types of content, fostering a fairer environment. 5. Budget allocation and investment in creator ecosystem. The $1.2 million budget allocation is a critical aspect of the initiative, but the specifics of how this budget will be utilized may not receive adequate attention. Why it's significant. Sustainable growth. Investment in the creator ecosystem through training programs, workshops, or creator support initiatives could yield long-term benefits by fostering a more skilled and engaged creator base. Marketing and outreach. A portion of the budget could also be allocated to marketing the new tools and features to creators, ensuring they are aware of and understand how to leverage these new opportunities for monetization. 6. Impact on user engagement. The emphasis on improving user engagement metrics, while noted in the report, warrants deeper exploration. The correlation between engagement levels and revenue opportunities for creators is a pivotal point that can influence TikTok's growth trajectory. Why it's significant. Enhanced user experience. A focus on engagement metrics can lead to a more satisfying user experience, encouraging longer viewing times and increased interaction, which benefits both creators and advertisers. Feedback loop. High engagement can create a positive feedback loop where engaging content leads to more views, which leads to more monetization opportunities for creators, further driving creativity and innovation. Conclusion. The initiative to implement revenue optimization algorithms for TikTok creators represents a significant opportunity for both creators and the platform. However, the underlying implications of data integration, creator empowerment, rollout strategies, transparency, budget allocation, and user engagement are critical to understanding the potential success of this initiative. By considering these overlooked aspects, stakeholders can better prepare for the transformative changes that lie ahead in the TikTok creator economy. The implementation of revenue optimization algorithms for TikTok creators by Q1 2024 is a significant initiative that aims to enhance the monetization opportunities for content creators on the platform. The initiative is underpinned by a budget allocation of $1.2 million and is structured into 4 key phases, which encompass various aspects of creator support and revenue generation. Below are the 4 most valuable points for in-depth analysis and discussion. 1. Integration of information from all sources. The first phase focuses on the integration of various data sources, including user engagement metrics, content performance data, and demographic information about the audience. This foundational step is crucial as it allows the algorithm to leverage comprehensive insights into creator activities and audience interactions. By utilizing this data effectively, TikTok can develop algorithms that provide personalized recommendations to creators, enhancing their content strategy and potentially leading to increased earnings. This approach emphasizes the importance of data-driven decision-making in the creator economy and highlights how platforms can empower creators to optimize their content for greater monetization. 2. Creator empowerment and monetization tools. A central theme of the initiative is the empowerment of creators through enhanced monetization tools. The algorithms are designed to provide insights that help creators understand their audience better and refine their content strategies. This empowerment may include new monetization avenues such as improved ad placements and the exploration of subscription models. By equipping creators with the right tools and insights, TikTok aims to foster a more sustainable ecosystem for its creators, addressing the challenges they face in maximizing their revenue. This focus on creator empowerment can be discussed in terms of its implications for creator retention and platform loyalty. 3. Differing perspectives on implementation. The third key point revolves around the differing perspectives on how to implement the revenue optimization algorithms. Various sources present contrasting views on whether to roll out the algorithms, gradually focusing initially on popular creators to gauge effectiveness or immediately to all creators to gather broader feedback. Additionally, there is a call for transparency and algorithmic decision-making, specifically regarding how these algorithms will impact content visibility and monetization. This discussion can lead to an exploration of the trade-offs between rapid deployment and controlled testing, as well as the ethical considerations surrounding algorithm transparency in content distribution and monetization. 4. Complete timeline of events. The timeline of events is critical to understanding the structured approach TikTok is taking to implement these changes. The timeline includes Q3 2023, initial planning and research phase, gathering data from creators and audience metrics. Q4 2023, development of algorithm prototypes and testing with select creators. January 2024, onboarding creators for new monetization tools and the initial rollout of revenue optimization features. February 2024, collecting feedback from the initial rollout and making adjustments based on creator and audience responses. March 2024, full-scale implementation across the platform accompanied by a marketing campaign to inform creators of new monetization opportunities. This structured timeline allows for iterative improvements based on real-world feedback, ensuring that the algorithms are fine-tuned to meet the needs of creators effectively. The implications of such a timeline can be debated in terms of project management efficiency, responsiveness to creator needs, and the potential impact on creator satisfaction and engagement. Conclusion: the initiative to implement revenue optimization algorithms for TikTok creators is multifaceted, involving data integration, creator empowerment, differing implementation perspectives, and a structured timeline. Each of these points opens avenues for deeper analysis regarding the implications for creators, the platform, and the broader creator economy. This initiative not only represents a strategic investment in TikTok's creator ecosystem but also underscores the evolving landscape of digital content monetization. Here are 3 famous historical cases that relate to the implementation of algorithms and optimization in economic contexts, reflecting themes similar to revenue optimization for TikTok creators. 1. The Airline Revenue Management System. In the 1980s, airlines began implementing sophisticated revenue management systems that used algorithms to optimize ticket pricing based on demand patterns. This case is exemplified by American Airlines' decision to use a system that dynamically adjusted fares according to seat availability and booking trends. The implementation of these algorithms allowed airlines to significantly increase revenue by selling the right seat to the right customer at the right time, ultimately reshaping the entire airline industry's approach to pricing and inventory control. 2. The use of linear programming in agriculture. In the mid-20th century, agricultural economists began employing linear programming models to optimize the allocation of limited resources such as land, labor, and capital among competing uses. An early and notable application was in the formulation of feeding rations for livestock. By using linear programming algorithms, farmers could maximize production efficiency and profitability while adhering to nutritional requirements and cost constraints. This mathematical optimization helped transform agricultural practices and supply chain management. 3. Google's ad auction system. Launched in the early 2000s, Google's AdWords system revolutionized online advertising through the use of algorithmic bidding in an auction format. Advertisers bid on keywords, and the system used algorithms to determine ad placement based on bid amount and ad quality. This system optimized revenue for Google by ensuring that the most relevant ads were shown to users while maximizing the auction's efficiency and effectiveness. The model has influenced countless companies and platforms in the realm of digital advertising and monetization strategies. These cases highlight the power of algorithmic optimization in enhancing revenue generation and operational efficiency across different industries. Echoing the intent behind TikTok's revenue optimization initiative for its creators. Future outlook: implementation of revenue optimization algorithms for TikTok creators by Q1 2024. As TikTok continues to evolve and expand, the implementation of revenue optimization algorithms for creators is poised to significantly reshape the landscape of content monetization. The initiative, budgeted at $1.2 million, is structured into 4 key phases aimed at enhancing profitability for creators and maximizing user engagement. Here's a detailed look at the future outlook for this project with predictions for its impact and evolution beyond Q1 2024. Phase 1: Integration of information from all sources. The first phase focuses on aggregating data from various sources, including user interactions, content performance, and audience demographics. This foundational work will enable the development of algorithms that can analyze and interpret vast sets of data. Predictions. Enhanced data analytics. By mid-2024, creators will benefit from tailored insights that highlight trending content types, optimal posting times, and audience preferences, leading to more strategic content creation. Personalization at scale. Algorithms will drive personalized content recommendations for users, increasing engagement and retention rates. This can lead to higher ad revenues for creators as their content becomes more targeted. Phase 2, highlighting common key points. The second phase aims to identify common themes in content that resonate with users. By understanding what works best for top creators, TikTok can provide valuable insights to all creators. Predictions. Standardization of best practices. By late 2024, a set of best practices derived from successful content strategies will emerge, enabling emerging creators to optimize their content more effectively. Community growth. As creators adopt these insights, we can expect a surge in high-quality content across the platform, fostering a more vibrant creator community and encouraging user engagement. Phase 3, indicating differences between sources. This phase will emphasize the importance of transparency in algorithmic processes, ensuring that creators understand how their content is ranked and monetized. Predictions. Increased trust among creators. By early 2025, creators will likely feel more empowered and informed, leading to a more cooperative relationship with TikTok. Transparency will foster loyalty and attract new creators to the platform. Feedback loops. Continuous feedback mechanisms will be established, allowing creators to refine their strategies based on real-time algorithmic adjustments. Phase 4, complete timeline of events. The final phase will see the full-scale implementation of the algorithms across the platform. Predictions. Widespread adoption. By mid-2025, nearly all creators will have access to optimized tools that not only enhance content visibility but also facilitate diverse monetization avenues, such as direct partnerships with brands and subscription models. Market expansion. As TikTok solidifies its position as a leader in the creator economy, we can expect increased competition from other platforms, pushing all social media companies to innovate in creator monetization. Broader implications for the creator economy. The successful implementation of these algorithms will likely have several broader implications for the creator economy. Shift in monetization strategies. Creators will increasingly diversify their revenue streams beyond ad revenues, exploring options like merchandise sales, fan subscriptions, and sponsored content. Emergence of new creators. With accessible tools and insights, a new wave of creators from diverse backgrounds will enter the TikTok ecosystem, enriching the platform's content diversity and reach. Data privacy and ethics. As the reliance on data increases, TikTok will need to navigate privacy and ethical concerns, ensuring that user data is handled responsibly while still providing valuable insights to creators. Conclusion. The implementation of revenue optimization algorithms for TikTok creators represents a significant step toward a more sustainable and profitable creator economy. By Q1 2024, the groundwork will be laid, but the real transformation will unfold over the next few years as creators leverage these insights to maximize their earnings and engagement. As TikTok continues to innovate, its ability to adapt to the demands of creators and users alike will be critical to its ongoing success and relevance in the ever-evolving digital landscape.